Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer sprint reports from Jira to Power BI, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer sprint reports from Jira to Power BI, start by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the project that contains the sprint data you want to export. Select the Reports section from the left side menu. Choose the Sprint Report option to view the relevant details. Once the report is displayed, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Click on the menu, then select the Export option. Choose the format you would like to export the report in, such as Excel or CSV. If opting for Excel, download the file to your computer. Next, open Power BI Desktop on your computer. On the Home tab, click on Get Data, then select Excel or text/CSV, depending on your export format. Locate the file you downloaded from Jira and click on Open. Power BI will display a navigator window showing the contents of the file. Select the specific data tables you wish to import. Click on Load to bring the data into Power BI. Once the data is loaded, go to the Data view to check its structure. You may want to clean or transform the data by clicking on Transform Data. In Power Query, remove any unnecessary columns or rows that do not pertain to your analysis. Then, you can create relationships between tables if necessary by going to the Model view. After cleaning your data, return to the Report view to start building your visuals. Choose the appropriate visualizations that reflect your sprint metrics. You can use bar charts, line graphs, or tables, depending on your reporting needs. Drag and drop fields from the right pane onto your visualizations to populate them. Customize each visualization by adjusting colors, labels, and titles to match your preferences. After completing your report, save your Power BI file for future use. You can publish your report to the Power BI service if you need to share it with others. To do this, click on the Publish button in the Home tab. Follow the prompts to log into your Power BI account and choose the destination workspace. You have successfully transferred sprint reports from Jira to Power BI. Now, you can analyze and share your sprint data effectively using Power BI's features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.